Imagine deploying a cutting-edge AI system, only to be blindsided by a $47,000 bill. That's exactly what happened to us when we ran a multi-agent system in production. We thought we had everything under control. 4 LangChain agents, all working together to research market data for users. The first week, costs were manageable, just $127. But by week 4, we were staring at an $18,400 bill, and the total damage hit $47,000 before we finally pulled the plug. The culprit? 2 agents got stuck in an infinite conversation loop for 11 days, racking up charges while we believed everything was running smoothly. This is the reality of multi-agent systems in 2025, and it's a story every AI developer needs to hear. Single AI models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini are impressive, but they're generalists. Real-world problems demand a team of specialists AI agents that can collaborate, each with unique strengths. The industry is already shifting. AutoGPT pioneered autonomous agents. LangChain made frameworks accessible. Crew AI popularized role-based teams. And OpenAI's Swarm is orchestrating agents at scale. Anthropic's MCP is standardizing context sharing. But here's the catch. Everyone's building advanced systems without the foundational infrastructure. It's like constructing skyscrapers on sand. The need for robust multi-agent infrastructure is more urgent than ever. Agent to agent, A2A, communication is like Slack for AI agents. It lets agents send messages, share context, coordinate tasks, and handle failures. In theory, A2A should make collaboration seamless. In reality, it's messy without proper safeguards. Agents can spiral into infinite loops, just like our $47,000 disaster. The dream is smooth, efficient teamwork, but the reality is often confusion, miscommunication, and runaway costs. Understanding the gap between expectation and reality is crucial for anyone deploying AI agents at scale. When you move from theory to production, A2A communication reveals its challenges. Agents may misinterpret messages, lose context, or get stuck in endless cycles. The infrastructure to manage these interactions simply isn't mature yet. What looks like a well-oiled machine in testing can quickly become a costly nightmare in the real world. This disconnect between expectation and reality is a major reason why so many teams are blindsided by unexpected costs and failures. In March 2024, Anthropic introduced the Model Context Protocol, MCP, to bring order to the chaos. MCP is like USB-C for AI agents before it. Every agent had its own way of accessing context, leading to confusion and inefficiency. With MCP, agents can access shared resources and tools through a standardized protocol. This makes it easier to build systems where agents can collaborate effectively, without custom code or manual prompt engineering. MCP is a game changer, but it's only part of the solution. When you combine A2A communication with MCP, agents can not only talk to each other, but also access any context or tool they need. This unlocks powerful new workflows. For example, you can build a system where a sales agent pulls data, a research agent finds competitor info, and an analyst synthesizes everything each using MCP to access the right resources. In just 30 lines of code, you can create a multi-agent system that would have been impossible a few years ago. But, as we learned, the real challenge is making it work reliably in production. Building a multi-agent system is one thing. Running it in production is another. Local testing might go smoothly, but once you deploy, unexpected disasters can strike. Infinite loops, context truncation, cascade failures, silent errors, token explosions, coordination deadlocks, and performance bottlenecks all can turn your dream project into a costly nightmare. Each of these issues has happened in real-world deployments, and they're often only discovered after significant damage is done. Let's break down the 7 most common disasters in multi-agent production systems. First, the infinite loop agents endlessly asking each other for clarification, racking up huge bills. Second, context truncation, important information gets lost due to token limits. Third, cascade failures, one agent's error brings down the whole system. Fourth, the silent killer agents fail quietly, and no one notices. Fifth, token explosion agents load too much data, causing costs to skyrocket. Sixth, coordination deadlocks agents get stuck waiting for each other. And seventh, the classic, it worked on my machine. Local tests pass, but production grinds to a halt. Running AI agents in production isn't just about writing smart code. It requires robust infrastructure, message queues, cost controls, monitoring, and more. Most teams haven't deployed agents at scale yet, but as adoption grows, these hard lessons will become common knowledge. The reality is, without proper infrastructure, you're flying blind and the risks are high. The industry desperately needs tools that make deploying and managing agents as easy as deploying a web app. Imagine a world where deploying a multi-agent system is as simple as pushing code to Git. The system detects your agents, configures containers, sets up message queues, applies cost limits, and enables real-time monitoring all automatically. You get a dashboard showing agent health, latency, token usage, and spend. Intelligent alerts notify you of issues, and you can optimize costs with a click. This is the infrastructure we need, but it doesn't exist yet. Today, developers are forced to build these systems from scratch, wasting weeks on non-core work. Web developers have enjoyed mature infrastructure for decades, but agent developers are stuck in the past manually configuring every component. After our $47 Kelvin's disaster, we spent 6 weeks building infrastructure from scratch, wiring together every piece just to run agents safely. This meant 3,500 lines of infrastructure code and $800 in monthly costs before a single agent even ran. The gap between what should be possible and what actually exists is staggering, and it's slowing down innovation across the industry. The next 12 months will be pivotal for AI agent infrastructure. We're at the stage where stories of massive bills are going viral, and the need for robust, production-ready tools is clear. The infrastructure layer is about to become the most important part of the AI stack. Teams that solve these challenges will define the future of multi-agent systems. The question is not if you'll need this infrastructure, but whether you'll learn the hard way or the easy way. At GetOnStack, we're building the infrastructure we wish we'd had. With a single command, you can deploy a LangChain multi-agent system, set up A2A coordination, configure MCP servers, and enable monitoring and cost controls. Real-time dashboards show agent health, latency, and spending. Built-in safeguards prevent runaway costs, infinite loops, and silent failures. This is the future of agent deployment: fast, safe, and scalable. We're inviting teams to join our private beta and help shape the next generation of AI infrastructure. Our platform includes automatic protections, daily cost limits, token caps per request, loop iteration limits, agent timeouts, and early warning alerts. Real-time cost tracking lets you see exactly what you're spending and projects your end-of-day total. These safeguards are essential for anyone running agents in production. They help you avoid the expensive mistakes we made and let you focus on building features, not fighting fires. A2A communication is unlocking new levels of coordination between specialized agents. MCP is standardizing how agents access context and tools. But without production-ready infrastructure, we're building skyscrapers on sand. The next year will determine who leads the agent infrastructure space. The real question isn't whether you'll need these tools, it's whether you'll learn the hard way, like we did, or take the easy path with the right infrastructure. Let's build the future of AI together.